Today we're using maths to design and build our own mini story dice. These are tiny mini brand style dice inspired by the Greek gods and Percy Jackson. Follow along to create your own miniature dice and practice turning a flat template into a 3D cube you can actually play with afterwards. I'm using an A4 sheet of paper, a ruler, a sharp pencil, scissors, a pen for drawing on the dice, glue, and a small brush to help stick the tabs. Feel free to draw whatever you like on each face and experiment with different art materials to make your dice unique. Today we're going to make some paper story dice so that we can make them themed. We're looking at Percy Jackson and the Greek gods, so we can name those, but you could do whatever you like. I'm going to make 6 columns, so I'm 1 centimetre apart. So I'm going to make sure my ruler is straight and I've got a sharp pencil. I'm going to come down and use the edge. And then I'm going to join it up. I like to touch the point. Now I'm going to make my lines down here. And now I'm going to make 4 rows. The tabs are not at the top end. And that's my grid. To make our flaps, this is row 1, row 3, and row 4. I'm using the entire of row 2. You can do all your diagonals in one go. Remember to miss out row 2. Now do all the diagonals the other way. This is just for the tab. Now you could cut triangles for the tabs to stick. I'm actually just going to do a line about 3 millimeters in. 1, 2, 3. To make the tab 3 millimeters. Now it's time to cut. In the squares with the cross, you only want to cut around the tab. Now to draw on them. Today's story dice are inspired by Percy Jackson and the Greek gods. If you want to do the same, Google Greek god signs or symbols. A top tip for you, so they're easier to fold, I go over the folding lines with a sharp pencil. It makes it so much easier. Then glue from row 1 where there's no flap and fold in. The great thing about these A4 paper story dice is that they are quick and easy to make. You can change your story dice theme regularly or even mix themes and genres to create some spectacular stories. I hope you enjoyed making them as much as we do. Your parents can tag us on socials with your cubes. I'd love to see them.